In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten Google Sites URL. By the end, you'll have a clean, easy to share link for your site that looks professional and is simple to remember. Start by opening Google Sites in your browser. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll land on the site's homepage. Here, look for the section that shows what you've been working on recently. Click into your recent sites to quickly find the project you want to share. If you don't see it right away, you can also open the site you need from your list of available sites on that same page. The goal is to open the specific site whose link you want to shorten. Once your site is open, glance up at the top of your browser window. That long address in the address bar is the URL you'll be shortening. Take a second to make sure this is the link you actually want to share. If you're viewing your site in the editor, remember that the editor link is different from a public viewing link. Use the link that matches how you want others to access your content. When you're ready, copy that full URL from the address bar. Next, open a new browser tab and head to tinyurl.com. TinyURL is a free, straightforward tool for turning long web addresses into short, friendly links. On the homepage, you'll see a field where you can paste the link you just copied. Click inside the field and paste your Google Sites URL. Now, look for the button that says Shorten Link. Click it and give it a moment to process. TinyURL will generate a compact version of your link right away. You'll see a short link appear on the screen, ready to use. It's a good habit to copy that shortened link and paste it into a new tab to test that it opens your site correctly. This quick check ensures there were no copy and paste mistakes and that the link routes people exactly where you expect. From here, you can share the shortened link in emails, documents, chats, or on social media. Short links are especially helpful when you're presenting, printing materials, or trying to reduce clutter in communications. If you ever need to change your site later, you can repeat this same process to create a fresh, short link. That's it. You went to Google Sites, opened your site, grabbed the URL, visited TinyURL, pasted the link, and clicked Shorten Link. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching and enjoy sharing your Google site with a cleaner, shorter URL.